Dear friends, now I would like to tell you IPM is not a method but it is a concept. I will also like to tell you here that how the concepts are generated or how the concepts are evolved. Friends, we are doing different types of activities to sustain our life on the earth and also to make our life more and more comfortable. Here we are getting two types of results of these activities. One, the results which are as per our expectations, and another are the results which are not as per our expectations. So the results which are as per our expectations, if they are accepted by the society or by the mass for the future use, become concept or opinion. These are the results of our activities which are as per our expectations and they are accepted by the mass or society. They are called as concept. And another type of results which are not as per our expectations, which are not desired by us, they are called as lessons for the future. So we are not doing such type of activities for future. Concepts are a kind of opinion of doing activity or group of activities to get desired results. So integrated pest management is a kind of concept in which lot of methods, so many types of methods, they are associated, they are used, they are involved to suppress the pest population below economic threshold level. So now the agriculture has become multi-objective occupation. Earlier we were having only one objective, that is to produce more and more to fulfill our food security or to ensure our food security, because there was a crisis of food during the time of independence of our country. So the objectives were different, but nowadays the agriculture has become multi-objective subject or multi-objective occupations. We desired not only the bumper crop production but also desires the safety of environment, safety of the community health, safety of the nature and its resources. So keeping in the view of all these things, the agriculture or the integrated pest management the concept of integrated pest management is developed like this or evolved like this, that it is a production of bumper crop. It is the basic concept, it is the production of a bumper crop with minimum expenditure with minimum use of chemical pesticides, because the chemical pesticides and fertilizers are only the culprits which are giving lot of problems related with our health, environment, nature and society. So the production of bumper crops, more and more crops with minimum expenditure, with minimum use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, with minimum or least disturbance to the community health, environment, ecosystem, biodiversity, etc. So our integrated pest management is a concept in which lot of our different methods of the pest management, they are included to get the production of bumper crop, production of the quality crop, the production of the quality agriculture commodities to trade, and safe crop to eat. This is the concept of integrated pest management. But now I would like to tell you that none of the concept will give you the result till it is not practiced properly. If the concept is not practiced properly, we will not get the desired results. So to get the desired results, we have to practice the concept of an integrated pest management in proper way. We have developed so many package of practices which are having how to do integrated pest management, how to implement the integrated pest management. But until or unless we will not practice these practices or these package of practices or the practices given in these package of practices in proper way, we will not get the results. Though we are having more than hundreds package of practices or IPM packages in which the methodology of the IPM implementation is given, but we will not get the results of such methodology till it will not be practiced by us in proper method, in proper way. Any IPM package will only be useful when they will be applied in field only by us in proper way. Making wrong opinion about the concept. Sometimes the people are making, sometimes our colleagues, they are making wrong opinion about the concept of IPM, that nothing, there are many things to say, but nothing worse except the chemical methods. This is wrong thing. It means that the practices which are giving in the IPM practices, they are not properly practiced by me, by us. And till we will not practice, we will not have the confidence of about the concept, about the methodology of implementation of IPM. So to get the desired result from a concept, we have to practice the concept in the practical way in the field. Then only we can get the desired result. Thank you very much.